Good morning, Shane with Art of the Yard here. We've got a great project we're starting in Littleton, Colorado. We've actually been working on this project for the last 4 or 5 years, just doing bits and pieces over the years.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life.
So we've got a couple pondless water features that we built here a few years back now. Great outdoor living space with fire pit, seat bench. And then we've got our outdoor kitchen. And now we're going to put in our third waterfall. So we're going to do it here. We're right off of C470, so we're trying to get a lot of noise, really knock out some of the traffic noise for the customer. Stay tuned, we'll show you how it comes out. So here we've got all our eco blocks in place and our pump vaults, so we know exactly where we're going to dig, so that way there's no wasted time or labor. We've got about 20 crates going into this one, a couple pump vaults. It's going to be a 7-foot wide single fall.